You know, when you're at like a music festival and you can't have tall chairs in the front, these are perfect. And you don't have to sit on the ground. I am so excited to tell you about this KingCamp beach chair. It's a fantastic chair. It has a crazy 300-pound capacity. As you can see, I'm a big girl, so making sure that it had a capacity that would hold me comfortably mattered a lot. And this one does. It has padded armrests, which makes it super comfortable. It also has a little cup holder right there. Works for, like, you know, a standard can or a cup. It's not a very big cup holder. It has nice feet. They're wide feet, so it doesn't sink into the sand as easily. I mean, it's sand, so you're gonna sink a little bit, but super comfortable. The back is relatively high. It comes up just above my shoulder blades, and it has a little bit of padding back here. Super easy to fold, as you can see, and it comes with a carrying bag. Has a mesh back, and the mesh back makes sure that you stay cooler than those solid back ones. I'm a pretty big fan. Now, I will say, it's like 8.5, almost 9 inches high off the ground. I have 2 knee replacements. Is it easy for me to get up and down? Nope. Once you're here, you're good, you're comfortable, but getting up is not easy, and I'm gonna show you. But I put my hand down and then just sort of, well, I'll show you. That wasn't so bad, right? You should check it out.